Hello everyone, this video is mainly about UK politics and current situation and the economy. What is happening, what is the impact of these things into the job market, whether it helps any new jobs or there will be a recession in UK, what is the latest situation on the visas, will there be any new visas issued by the UK government, what are the plans UK government having. Let's see in this video. Welcome to channel Sundar Ayappan. Hope you like my videos in my channel as well as this video. Please like, subscribe and comment my videos. This is really helpful for me to let us a lot of new videos helping others. Let's get into the video. As you all know that or seen the news and then TV channels that UK economy is kind of going in recession or in a very bad state due to lot of policies taken by the government. So you know that in September, new Prime Minister came into UK or selected by the members of the Conservative Party. Then what happened? Now the new Prime Minister is resigned as she was saying that she was not able to do her job due to various pressures. But the main thing is the mini budget what she announced or the chancellor, the finance minister of the prime minister announced has made the market, that is the economy, in a very bad state. It's mainly because the new chancellor announced a lot of tax cuts and benefits which was not cost in the sense there was a huge cut in the government income, but he has not mentioned where he will adjust the income for the loss of the tax cuts. So that is the main problem, and suddenly this spooked the market in the sense the financial market was saying if the government don't know how they are going to fix the gap in their budget, it is very dangerous situation. Hence we are raising the interest rates in the mortgages, that is home loan. So home loan or mortgage is a very highly sensitive subject in UK. Lot of people buy the home using the loan only, that is housing loan or mortgage. So they will fix the mortgage for a few years and then they will fix it again with the same provider or the new provider based on the interest rates. And what happens is there is around 200,000 mortgages coming to kind of remortgage, that is the fixed period is coming to end, they are going to remortgage. Now with this economic situation, lot of mortgage providers seeing the risk in the future, they have increased the interest rates so that they safeguard themselves from any future interest rate decision. So that's the main thing which spooked the market. And also the pound to dollar value is kind of, the pound it kind of came to equal to dollar, which will increase the import cost for a lot of things, and then that will be reflected in the food prices. So that's one thing. And then the second thing is the government borrowing power. The government always, a lot of governments around the world borrow money for their day-to-day activities. So they will sell it in the bond market, and a lot of companies put their money, which is a kind of a secure money where the government definitely will give. Very rare cases the governments will default. So that market price for UK borrowing has increased. Those lot of conditions, mainly because of the mini budget. The mini budget is very good budget in the sense it was giving a lot of benefits to the people, but if the government has given a proper and kind of explanation how they are going to fix these gaps, that will be a good thing. And also they announced a lot of details in a single announcement. They should have done in a monthly basis. Okay, first month tax cut, second month stamp duty cut, third month then the bonus and all those things. If they slowly announced, it might be a different thing, but we don't know how the market might have reacted for that. So all these things created a very kind of a bad economy for UK, and we don't know whether it will come down, the interest rates will come down. Also the Bank of England want to reduce the inflation. Inflation in UK is 10%. That is, the things you bought last year for £1 is now £1 10 pence. So the inflation, the Bank of England want to reduce that to 2%. Until the inflation is reduced to 2%, what they're saying is they will take action, in the sense they will take money out of the economy by raising the interest rates. So they are saying that. And also in the world economic situation, lot of countries are raising their interest rates, because for the past 10 years in COVID as well as before that, lot of countries reduced the interest rates due to the previous financial markdown in 2008. Now that is gradually improved, so they are increasing the interest rates. That is also not reason for UK economy problems. So having said all these things, what is the benefit for anyone who was planning to come to UK in student visa or tier 2 visa or intra-company transfer visa. Intra-company transfer visa, it's a safe visa. You have a job, you come here, you work, but you need to be very mindful of that the prices in UK are very high, the cost of living is very high, the gas prices, that is the gas coming to your house to heat your cooking, and also the electricity prices very high. You need to pay at least minimum £100 for a 2 bedroom or 1 bedroom house or a family of 4. So that is the situation, and the food prices has gone up. Still the petrol diesel prices are not back to the normal, which is around 120 pence or 130 pence. So all these things you need to think about the intra-company transfer visa holders who are coming to UK, about the cost of living, whether the salary given by the company you are coming to is suitable for you, with the rents also increasing. Rents for London region is increased because of the mortgage rates increase. So the landlords who are taken loan from the bank have to increase their rent to kind of adjust the increase in their payment to the banks. That's also happening. That's on the intra-company transfer. Who are coming in tier 2 highly skilled migrant work, if they got a very good job of paying more than £40,000, definitely they can manage, but definitely the amount they can save will be reduced drastically, at least by 200 to £300 per month. This is a minimum I'm saying. It's based on the area you are living. The cost of living will be high, but if you have a highly skilled work and then the salary is more than £45,000, definitely you will be in a good situation, I would say. Again, it depends upon where you want to live and then the cost of living in that area, rent, all those things. And coming to the student visa, definitely student visa holders who are coming newly or who are already in UK need to be very mindful of where they are and what they are doing. If they are in any job now, the seasonal job, that is the Christmas related jobs will increase now due to Christmas period. Again, the shops and other companies are very kind of cautious in making new recruitment. They are not kind of splashing around, and if they splash around, the number of recruitments or number of jobs will be temporary only. After the January, these jobs will come down. After, the people will stop spending after Christmas, because they spend too much in Christmas, and then January, February they will not spend. Most of the people will not spend. So those things you need to consider. People who are in UK, people are considering to come to UK in student visa and thinking of, I will get a job. International students who are planning to come to UK and then thinking of getting a job, you need to be very mindful that there are a lot of people in UK without jobs in the students market. They will be the preferred people than the new person who is coming without any UK experience. So keep that in mind. And recession is expected by December and January next year, and then the new PM who is going to be selected. Keep all this in mind before you make a decision to come to UK. My suggestion will be, watch the UK environment or economy, and then the situation here in job market, and then decide if you want to start in January or if you want to start in September 2023. So keep this in mind. And with respect to the new PM, we don't know what will be his decision on the visa relaxation. Already there is a war, the kind of statement war between India and UK. Home Secretary resigned because of the policy by the ex-Prime Minister, the Prime Minister Liz Truss, who resigned, was saying she want to liberalize the visa immigration policy, but the Home Secretary is saying she wants to make the immigration policy very strict, and then only for people who are having skills needs to come to UK. So still there is no clear understanding or clear definition given by the current government, conservative government. When the new PM comes, what will be their decision, whether they are going to relax the immigration policy and then more jobs to social sector or care home, and then NHS medical sector will be expected. But with respect to highly skilled migrants, not sure whether there will be relaxation in fees or relaxation in the time to process. We have to wait and watch. So this is the latest update. A little bit long video, but hope you understand what I have said in the past regarding the situation in the economy, what caused the economy problem, as well as the impact to that to the job market. Hope this helps you. We will see in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.